組目の I know first よりヤロン・ゴルゲル様よりお願いいたします。Please, Mr. Gulger. Please.
Hello, my name is Yron Gulger. I'm the CEO and co-founder of I Know First. I Know First is an Israeli fintech company. Our main product is a predictive algorithm that's based on artificial intelligence that generates daily prediction for the financial markets and identifies the best investment opportunities. Every day, the algorithm is generating prediction for more than 3,000 assets, including stocks, commodities, currencies, interest rates, ETFs, for different time frames, short, mid, and also long term. The brain behind the algorithm is Dr. Lipa Reutemann from the Weizmann Institute of Science in Israel. He's one of the leading experts in the field of artificial intelligence, and he is leading quite unique R&D team, which based on machine learning experts, PhDs, data scientists, people that coming from the background of math and statistics. We are working with professors from Tel Aviv universities and also IDF veterans, specifically from the intelligence unit. So what do? We are outperforming the market by utilizing artificial intelligence. We are offering AI-based solutions for retail and institutional clients from all over the world. And right now we are launching an hedge fund with a leading investment house in Israel. So how the magic is done? What is the secret sauce? Every day the algorithm is collecting quantitative data from the financial market. We are adding the daily data into our stocks, to our historical stocks database. And around the clock there is a learning cycle. The algorithm learns from the new data, is comparing the data to the historical data and identifying the patterns that are relevant for the market today and the best opportunities in the market. With a prediction for different time frames. The algorithm is self-learning algorithm, so it learns from its past successes and also failures. This is the self-driving car of the stock market. In order to develop this machine learning algorithm, we are using different methods, including deep learning, artificial neural networks, reinforcement learning, genetic algorithms. And the most interesting thing about this algorithm is that it's not only generating a prediction for 3,000 stocks and identifying the best opportunities, but it also identifying the most predictable markets that are relevant for today. And it's super important to focus on the most predictable assets and not only on the asset with the strongest signals. Every day, the algorithm is generating the prediction for the 3,000 assets by generating this heat map. In this heat map, we can see the best opportunities on the top side of the heat map and the prediction for the entire market. In this case, this is the US market. Within each cell, we can see two indicators. The first one is the signal. The signal is the predicted movement of the assets. The second one is the predictability indicator. This is the historical correlation between the past performance and the actual market movement. And it's super important to focus on the most predictable assets on one end and also on the asset with the strongest signals. We structured tiered solution offering. The first tier is a decision supporting tool. It's possible to customize it based on a specific stock exchange. We just launched it in Brazil. We launched it in Europe and also in the United States. It's possible to focus also in the Japanese stock exchange, on Tokyo Stock Exchange. On top of it, we developed a wealth management solution. This solution is converting the daily prediction into a portfolio, including the daily adjustment that need to be done and the specific allocation. Here we can see the performance during the last year of our Tier 2 solution, our wealth management solution. We are comparing ourselves to the S&P 500 here. We can see the S&P performance below, because we were focusing here only on S&P 500 stocks. Here we can see several strategies that utilizing our AI-based algorithm. We can see that the leading strategy had a return of 77% during the last year, and each strategy can be converted into different investment vehicles. Some case studies. We are working with a large European bank to customize the investment universe based on the European stock exchange. They would like to offer to their premium client an innovative tool to identify the best investment opportunities every day. We are integrating our algorithm into the research and advisory of a large bank in Israel. With a large institutional clients in Israel, we are launching right now an hedge fund and a mutual fund based on the strategies that you just show. We are also offering this solution to retail clients from all over the world with customized solution for their own stock exchange. I would like to take this opportunity and to announce that by the end of the year, we are planning to customize the algorithm and to offer it also to the Japanese market based on the Tokyo Stock Exchange.
Thank you. ありがとうございました。どうぞ質問がございます方、お願いいたします。
What is your business model? Can you use mic?
So it depends on the tier that we are deciding to focus on. The first tier, decision supporting tool, the business model is based on a monthly retainer. The wealth management solution is based on revenue share, usually with institutionals that would like to construct some kind of AI-based investment vehicles, such as mutual fund, hedge fund, or even smart beta solution, ETF.
どうぞ。
What kind of information do you use to make prediction?
We are using quantitative data from the markets, data that available.
Could you tell me examples?
For example, prices, volumes, and other data that available every day, that updated every day. The most important thing is that we need historical data in order to learn. In order to learn, we are also using alternative data sets, but we are focusing, usually we are focusing on the quantitative data sets. It depends on the predictive value of each data set. This is the way that we are deciding which data set is relevant for our algorithm.
Thank you. Any other questions?
日本語で質問してもいいですか。
はい。There's a translation device on the table.
いや、ですね、多分データのそのアルゴリズムというか計算方法がユニークだと思うんですけど、今までの結果が 77% っていうものが出てきていると思うんですけど、日本のやつでやろうとしたときに日本の元々のデータってどこから持ってこられる予定ですか。日本の株の情報ってどこから持ってきます？
I'm not sure. There is no translation, so if someone can translate, and I will appear.
Oh, it's not coming on? Just hold on for a second. 申し訳ございません。もう一度質問の方していただけますか。
要はその各国の株価情報みたいなものって15年のデータによって試算できるっていうふうにお考えだと思うんですけど。
Still not.
Yes, now I can hear.
いいですか。
もう少し声を大きくしてください。
Yes, I can hear you.
OK。 その各国ごとのデータって多分皆さん共通でいじれると思うんですけど、それごとに出すデータが同じアルゴリズムで各国の株価って全く同じようにリンクしているのかっていうのが質問なんですけど。
Yes. So the answer is yes. We are utilizing all. There is connection between all of the data sets, and but still, if we're deciding to focus, let's say, on the Japanese stock exchange, we need a training period of 2 months in order to train the behavior of the local market here. We just during the summer, we just launched our product in Brazil based on the Bovespa stock exchange. It took us something like 2 months to learn and to integrate the relevant data of the local stock exchange there, and it might be the same here.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you.
それではお時間となりますので